Today, we're diving into the captivating world of artificial intelligence and exploring how chatbots and algorithms could potentially replace financial advisors and fund managers in the future. Prepare for a thrilling journey through the cutting-edge technology that's transforming the finance industry. The AI revolution in finance. Artificial intelligence has been making waves across various industries, and finance is no exception. AI-powered tools and technologies have been used by Wall Street for years, automating tasks and enabling more efficient decision-making. As these technologies continue to advance, their potential to disrupt traditional finance roles only grows stronger. The history of algorithms in finance. The use of algorithms in finance isn't a new phenomenon. For years, high-frequency traders have employed sophisticated algorithms to make lightning-fast trades, capitalizing on market inefficiencies. These algorithms have outperformed many human traders, showcasing the potential for AI-driven decision-making in the world of finance. The average fund managers struggle. Despite the expertise of many fund managers, the average professional consistently underperforms when compared to the S&P 500. This fact highlights the potential for AI-driven investment strategies to outpace human decision-making, as algorithms can process vast amounts of data more quickly and accurately than their human counterparts. The rise of chatbots and AI-driven financial advice. With advances in natural language processing and machine learning, chatbots have become increasingly sophisticated, allowing them to provide personalized finance advice to users. As these chatbots continue to improve, they could potentially replace financial advisors, offering more affordable and accessible financial guidance for the masses. The future of fund management. As AI and machine learning technologies continue to progress, it's not far-fetched to imagine a future where algorithms and chatbots handle the bulk of fund management tasks. These AI-driven solutions could offer more consistent returns, lower fees, and increased transparency, ultimately changing the landscape of the finance industry for good. While it remains to be seen just how far-reaching the impact of AI will be, one thing is clear: the future of finance is undoubtedly exciting and will change. For more fascinating info on the stock market and finance, click the links here to the left or right. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more finance insights. Until next time, happy investing.